Environmentalists say the world will continue to face heightened risk from emerging new viruses if human consumption of illegal and unregulated wildlife persists. Now, this comes following the consumption of several rare and endangered species such as pangolins. Esther Mokmariola reports.
Say coronavirus is a zoonotic disease that can be transmitted from animals to humans. The outbreak has been traced to a market in Wuhan, known for selling wild animals for consumptions including dogs, turtles, bats, snakes, crocodiles and hedgehogs. Following these concerns, some environmental organizations are calling on governments and international agencies to close down wildlife markets.
So imagine that every 5 minutes, on average, a pangolin is killed, is poached and killed for this trade. And with this current trend, it is likely that most of the populations will be extinct in the next 20 years. The species which have become more scarce are those in Asia, where they've been hunted for a longer time. And now the main trade is for pangolins from Africa to Asia. The countries from which they originate in Africa are mainly Uganda, Cameroon, Sierra Leone, and also Nigeria is playing the most important role, especially in more recent years, because probably of lack of stringent enough control at the custom level.
According to the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Wild Species of Fauna and Flora, Nigeria is the highest exporter of illegal pangolin scales, and there are concerns other countries are still involved with wild markets.
In fact, these scales are those which are threatening them most. Traditional medicine in countries like China, Vietnam, considers them as a potential cure for a long list of illnesses and diseases, such as arthritis, lactation problems in pregnant women, even cancer. And this is what led and is driving this illegal trade in their scales. Eating pangolins cannot be considered as a status symbol, but rather as a symbol of ignorance about the threats.
In the meantime, environmentalists believe a permanent ban on wildlife trade will not only protect endangered species, but preserve all life on the planet.